Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix mouse can't click. To start, combine the Windows keys plus X in the list Click on Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, select Windows Explorer. Click on Restart Task. Wait for the system environment to be restored. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can test that your left or right click works normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.